Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you, but the ones I really want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the picture for a clue to help with the word, and your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the sounds in the word slowly and then you go back and say it all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Ready? Food. Food. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Food. Food. Good job. The book that we are going to be looking at this week is called Zoom Food. Let's go and have a look. And girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Zoom Food. In this story we have Jin. Jin can zoom up and he can go as high as a rocket. We have Mrs. Butterworth and Ben. Jin is not as fast as Ben. I need food that will help me go fast. We can look at my cookbooks. Jin picks a book. This book looks good. Mrs. Butterworth gets a pan. She drops in a turnip, a beetroot, popcorn. This is for a burst of speed. Jin slurps up the Zoom food. Just 3 spoons to zoom fast. Jin zooms off. Jin, you had too much Zoom food. Jin zooms past Ben. Jin is going too fast. He has to turn. Help! He shoots up to the stars. Jin turns again. He zooms back. I cannot stop. Quick, Ben, help me pull this. Ben helps Jin get off the crash bag. Good job, Ben. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again. Or down here on Oxford Owl, you have the audio button where they will read it to you. This week we are going to be doing something a little bit different, and you are going to start off by doing a word search. All you need to do is click on the link that I will give you in your portfolios and it will take you to this. It will say yellow Zoom Food guided reading. To join in the game, all you need to do is enter Grace or your name and press start. Once it has loaded, this is what it will look like, and you just need to press start to join. So you need to tap the hidden word, so which character can run really fast. And all you need to find is the letter J for Jin and click on Jin. Then you need to match the clue. If you are struggling, don't worry. It's just something a little bit different for this week. You will also have your Kahoot quizzes on the next 2 days. Enjoy and have fun.